And with the uptick of teen suicide, local medical experts are weighing in. Chris 6 News reporter Emily Hamilton spoke with a psychiatrist who says social media may be a contributing factor to the nationwide statistics. She joins us now in the studio with the troubling report. Emily?
Yeah, Paulo, doctors say the ages of 13 through 16 are when teenagers really back away from opening up to their parents, sometimes hiding their struggles until it's too late. Local psychiatrists say there's a daily increase in teens exhibiting suicidal behaviors.
We're usually pretty full, but every single day we are at capacity for our child units.
Doctors say over the last 10 years, social media has been a large contributing factor.
It's not just Facebook. There's multiple platforms that teenagers, young adults use that it's hard for parents to keep up with.
Because the brain and coping skills are not fully developed during the teenage years, situations that may not matter years from now can still have catastrophic consequences.
With a person that doesn't have either great coping skills that are developed or also friend network, is that it can result in things like suicide or self-harm or drug use even.
Dr. John Lucens mentioned warning signs for parents to look out for in their children, such as irritability, change in sleeping and eating patterns, and frequent changes in their friend network. He advised monitoring screen time and social network sites and recognizing the fine line between being intrusive and being educated.
That's a difficult conversation. They deserve their privacy. However, when you start seeing these signs like we talked about, it is time to dig a little bit deeper and make sure that they're okay.
Another alarming fact, doctors also fear what's defined as copycat behavior when impressionable teenagers witness the devastating impact of one of their peers taking their own life and then seek the same reaction. Dr. Lucens referenced the national increase in suicide rates after Robin Williams committed suicide back in 2014. Paulo?